sir.
And then we started few data sets. What should I do?
Data and select.
If you do not want to copy certain files, exclude schedule.
Exclude, sir.
And then we started discussing about the block delete. If you want to delete any data set, you can use the block delete. By default, block delete will delete only most recently created data set. But if you want to delete a specific data set, block delete, data is equal to data set. But by default, it looks for library. But if you want to delete from some other library, block delete, library is equal to library name, data is equal to, you get one data set name or multiple data set names by keeping a space between them. But if you want to delete all the data sets of the library, data is equal to underscore all. Delete all the data sets. By the way, block delete can delete only the data sets. It cannot delete views or data loss. So this is what we have seen in the last class. And of course, we have seen proxy delete also. If you want to see the licensing information, what are the features and packages that we have in our SaaS software, you can do proxy delete semicolon. So this is what we have seen in the last class. And in today's class, we'll discuss about the next important procedure, which is block contents. Block contents procedure is useful for documentation purpose. Document the metadata information. Document the metadata information or the descriptor information. We use block contents. You asked me to create an EMP dataset, and you asked me to give a label for the dataset. Label is equal to, I'm writing, for example, employee salary report. And you asked me to create this dataset from a text file. I'm writing that one in file. On my desktop, I have a SAS folder. In the SAS data folder, here we have a demo text file. I'm writing input statement. I want to have EMP ID, name, dollar symbol, age, $6 symbol, salary, location, dollar symbol, semicolon. And you told me you want to have a name, length 20, sex length 10. Tell me what you want to have that 10. Then statement, where do you want me to write the statement? Before the input, okay, I'm writing the length statement. Now the labels will apply salary. Now salary location, salary format will apply salary. Now you can write a individual statement or you can also write a statement. Now I take the first variable EMP ID. I want to apply the label. I'm writing a label is equal to, I want to have it as a label. I want to have it as an employee ID. I'm writing. The second variable is name variable. Second is a variable. First I want to apply the label. Label is equal to, I want to have an employee name. Employee name. And I want to apply the length also. Length is equal to, I want to give make it 20. I'm writing $20. So the next variable is variable. I want to give the label. Label is equal to, I want to have the employee age. Okay. And then actually sex. So label is equal to, I want to have employee. Enter. Next variable is a salary variable. And I want to apply the length also. I'm writing length is equal to $10. And salary label is equal to, I want to have employee income. And then I want to apply the format is equal to, I want to have $. I want to have a location. I want to apply the label is equal to employee address. Then I want to have a name. Length is equal to, I want to have $10. Applied according to the sponsor requirement, and I go to the program, go to the libraries, what library, EMP data set, and yes, I have the data, go to views, click on the labels, we get the labels. I did the program. Now, I will submit this data set. But what is the guarantee that I created this employee variable according to the sponsor requirement? The label and date, data factor is format factor plays a label. I want to have all the details also. I did the data about metadata will cover. Metadata calling is now, you should click on the data variable. You can open the window so we can see the attributes information. But I open your state, I can see this information. But I want to have that information also as a recruiter. Now, if you want to, if you do anything in the real time, you should have a proper documentation. Document a document nobody will believe that you have done that. So how we can do the documentation? Now if you want to document the metadata information, now we are going to use a procedure called block contents. Block contents is a procedure which will document the metadata information. It will bring the metadata or contents information of the data set. The simplest procedure that we can write is block contents semicolon. This procedure will be executed for the most recently created data set of one category. One category most recently created data set just now we have created EMP, it will work on the EMP. It will most recently it will work only on the data set. Okay. Now I'm writing a block content semicolon run, selecting the program, into the program. Now this is how we are going to have information in the output window, and this information will come in 3 tables. Information house three tables of information. First table the overall contents process data set summary. Information data set name. What product you can create what can library load, here data set created. Member type, the data set of unit catalog data set member type is data. What is engine that we are using? I'm using SAS 9.4 engine implemented V9 version 9. Okay, and then create a duplication already. Just now we have created. Today 8 o'clock again is 40 seconds. And the modification, creation modification is allowed in many modification levels. So creation and modification both are same. And the protection data set type, we don't have the protection data type. Then we have the label for the data set. Yes, we have applied. What is the label that we have applied? Employee salary. The labels are important into the label of the data set tag into the number. And also label players. Data representation in this laptop, in this system, I'm using Windows 64-bit. So the data representation is Windows 64. And by default in Windows, the encoding system is W Latin 1 Western. This is the default encoding system in Windows. And then we have observations. How many observations we have? 23 observations. How many variables that we have? 6 variables. We didn't use any indexes. Indexes are 0. Observation length in the in the default backend, it took 64 bytes. We haven't deleted any observation 0. We didn't compress the data set 0. And we haven't sorted the data. No. We have data set overall summary 1 table. And then in the second table, we have engine or host dependent information. So now data set phase size. What is the size of the data set phase in the backend? 65,536 bytes. Number of data pages that we have in this one, 1. And 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి అన్ని ప్లేస్ అకౌంట్ ఇప్పుడు దాని సో 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ డేటా కేటగిరీ ఏమవుతుందండి 1. అంటే మల్టిపుల్ ఉంటే ఒకటి ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఉన్న పేజెస్ ఒకటి అదే ఫస్ట్ పేరు. అండ్ దెన్ మాక్సిమం అబ్జర్వేషన్ per page ఒక పేరు ఎన్ని అబ్జర్వేషన్ పేజ్ చేసాం ఇప్పుడు 1021. అసలు ఎన్ని అబ్జర్వేషన్ డేటా సెట్ 23. మరి 23 ఎన్ని పేజెస్ పేజ్ చేస్తాం మనం ఒక పేజ్ వచ్చేసి అంటే మాక్సిమం మీరు 1021 ప్రింట్ చేయొచ్చు. కానీ మన డేటా ఓన్లీ 23 ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్ ద 23 అబ్జర్వేషన్ కమింగ్ వన్ పేజ్. Okay, number of data requests within the data set. So data set request here. And then we have a UOC extended OTS counter. Extended OTS counter by default we are only have a 9.4 years untundi. And then filing. Where we have saved this EMP data set. Is that there? EMP. EMP what level only. But what level ఎక్కడ సేవ్ అయినట్టు? మీరు మీ ఓన్ లెవెల్ సేవ్ చేశారు. ఓన్ లెవెల్ సేవ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఏంటండి? లేకపోతే ఎవరికి చేస్తారు మీరు? ఒక folder. So this data will be saved in the folder. You know where you have the folder. But if you save the data set in the work library, what the location of the work library? What level ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? జనరల్ SAS ఏ లెవెల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుంటాం? So in the C drive, when you open the SAS software, it will create a temporary folder. So ఈ సెక్షన్ ఉన్నది వర్క్ లైబ్రరీలో ఈ డేటా ఎక్కడ సేవ్ అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు వర్క్ లైబ్రరీ సేవ్ అయిన మీనింగ్ ఏంటి సి డ్రైవ్ లో ఒక టెంపరరీ ఫోల్డర్ సేవ్ అవుతుంది ఇందులో కనుక ఇది ఆస్క్ యు కెన్ యు వాట్ ద లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్క్ లైబ్రరీ లొకేషన్ ఏంటి మీరు ఏదో ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ లైబ్రరీ చేశారు అనుకోండి లొకేషన్ చెప్పలేదు ఎందుకంటే ఈ క్రియేట్ ఫోల్డర్ అంటే మీరు పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫోల్డర్ దెన్ యు ఆర్ సెలెక్ట్ న్యూ లివ్ నేమ్ లైబ్రరీ రిఫరెన్స్ నేమ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫోల్డర్ సో దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ లైబ్రరీ విల్ గెట్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఫర్ ద ఫోల్డర్ దెన్ వర్క్ లైబ్రరీ has been created for this folder if you want to know that one you should look into this one file name this is what we have in the C drive user stances app and this is what is the folder that we have SAS temporary files in that it has created one temporary folder there emp.sas70 data has been saved. So if you save the data set in a temporary work library, what is the location of the work library point? How to get it? By running the proc context procedure, we can understand the location of the work library. Understand this one? And then release created, we are using SAS 9.4. The release created is 9.0401 is an M2 version. And the post created, I'm using Windows 64-bit home edition. Now that is the request of my system. And these two tables are not so important, but the third table is very, very important. Can you see what we have in the third table? Alphabetical list of variables and attributes. Alphabetical order లో మీ డేటా సెట్ ఏ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి బట్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ ఏంటి యాక్చువల్ గా ఈ డేటా సెట్ ఫస్ట్ ఐఎం ఏం క్రియేట్ చేశాను తర్వాత నేమ్ దెన్ ఏజ్ సెక్స్ సాలరీ లొకేషన్ బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వి హావ్ ద వేరియబుల్స్ హియర్ ఇన్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ సో ఫస్ట్ వి హావ్ ఏజ్ దెన్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి లొకేషన్ నేమ్ సాలరీ అండ్ సెక్స్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ వన్ నౌ వి హావ్ ఫస్ట్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ చూడండి data type then we have a length of the variable the length is equal to the default length చూడండి 8 for name and sex I have given my own length otherwise 8 the format I use is format only for the salary variable which is $10.2 the information for each is the column which is the information and then I have operated the labels for all the 6 variables now we have the labels. Understand this one? So to save to get the metadata as a report, what the procedure we are writing now, block contains semicolon. By default, how many tables are displaying in output window? 3. First one is the data set summary. Second one is engine or post dependent information. The third one is alphabetical list of variables and attributes. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎవరికి చూడడం బ్లాక్ కంటెంట్ procedure. The most recently created set of work library. But now most recently one I want to execute this one for specific data. ఒక లైబ్రరీ 100 data set అనుకోండి నాకు ఒక data set మాత్రమే కావాలి specific data not the most recent one. If you want to have that one, now we are going to use an option called data is equal to. Okay, what I'm going to do, I am writing block contains data is equal to the data set name. I want to run specifically for SAS help dot heart. Equal ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా అవుతారు కదా SAS help library లో ఉన్న SAS help library డేటా సెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అందులో కూడా ఎవరైనా అవుతారు ఓన్లీ ఆ డేటా సెట్ now again in the output window we are going to have 3 tables engine or post dependent first alphabetical sorry data set summary block contains summary data set summary engine or post dependent information I want the third one that we are getting now alphabetical list of variables and attributes here we have variable name data type length label we don't have informative format since they didn't have the informative format we do not have informative format columns. So if you want to get the contents information for a specific data set what is the option you write data is equal to data set. So data is equal to option specifies the data set name for which you want to have the contents information. But program which is the contents information across the contents information output window వచ్చింది result level but output window result level నేను చూడగలుగుతాను how to submit this to my client you cannot submit that. So what we should do is we should have the same information in the data set. ఈ information data set లో ఈ contents information data set లో సేవ్ చేయాలనుకోండి I can forward the data set. So whatever information I'm getting in output window the same information I want to save it in the data set. If you want to save it to the data set now we are going to use an option called out is equal to for example proc contains data is equal to emp. Okay, now I'm writing out is equal to I want to save this information in the data set called temp. ఇది ఏమవుతుంది emp data set proc contains ఉన్నాయి information output window వస్తుంది as well as the same information will be saved in the data set called temp. అది data set temp ఎక్కడ అవుతుంది బ్రౌజ్ ఇస్ చెప్పండి అంటే 1 నేను ఇచ్చాను ఎక్కడ సేవ్ అవుతుంది ఇది వర్క్ లైబ్రరీ this select the program execute the program I want information output window that is okay but if I go to the work library that is what the data set that we have here also the information we get saved. What information that we can find here now here we have labels I want to see the variable names because column. Now we have so many variables here but the most important thing is how many observations that we have. How many observations we have? You know why? Because in the data we have 6 variables for each variable we are getting one observation here. The first variable name is here live name but if you data set is a data set is all these 6 variables are present in the data set emp data set has been saved in the work library so library name is what now remember the data set name what is the data set name and next the label of the data set what is the label that we have given employees and the report and then member type this is the data set and then we are going to have a name of the variable. What is the name of the variables? We have age, emp ID, location, name, salary, location, sex, and by the way, what is the order of the variable that we are getting in? All alphabetical. Then type. If it is a numerical variable, type is going to be 1. If it is a character variable, type will be 2. So age, emp ID, and salary numerical variables we have 1. Location, name, and sex are character variables that is 2. And then we have a length. So whatever the length we have given here, we show the length. And then variable number. This is alphabetically released today. All characters are marked. Age is no variable. Third variable. Emp ID the first variable. Location the sixth variable. We are getting the variable number. And then the next one is the label of each and every variable. And then we have a formatter. Remember we have applied for format for each variable. What is the format that we use? End of is length అవుతుంది కానీ ఫార్మాట్ ఏమిటండి డాట్ సో అందుకే ఫార్మాట్ ఏమి ఉంది చూడండి డాట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లెంత్ ఎంత ఉంది చూడండి ఫార్మాట్ లెంత్ ఎంత చూసామండి అండ్ హౌ మెనీ డెసిమల్స్ ఉన్నాం ఎంత పెట్టాను 2 డెసిమల్స్ సో లెంత్ బిలో వస్తుంది డెసిమల్స్ బిలో వస్తాయి సో డాట్ ఎంత ఉంటే అందులో డాట్ వచ్చేసి ఫార్మాట్ నేమ్ దెన్ operating in informator, you might have informative name, informative length, informative distance. And if you justification, numerical values at 1 character values at left side to the 0. The number in position, packet look of a position to next number of observations in all the variables we have put data values. And the engine name, we are using V9, creation date, modification date, deleted observations, indexes user, number type data set, index count, protection, we haven't used any protection. So we are going to have all this information of EMP data sets. Understand this, sir? So if you want to save this information in the data set, what is the option that you are writing now? What is the option should I? Output. But when output execution say, that information should have data set data set create out the information output window. All I want to do is I want to create a data set. I do not want to have information in output window. If you can output window, data set is if you do not want to print an output data set, now we are going to, for output window, we are going to use an option called no print. This no print option will suppress printing of the information in output window. Now, I am writing now, block contains. Data is equal to EMP. Out is equal to F1. And by the way, I do not want to print an output window, no print. Now you can select the program, execute the program. But then you see, the information is here in the data set, but we are not getting print. Can you see, if we execute the program, we are not getting the print because we mentioned the no print option. It suppresses printing of the report in output window. But the information is saved in the data set. Now, I'm writing block contains. Data is equal to EMP. Personally, program input is report number. Personally, output window. Remember how many tables we got? Three. What are the three tables we got? Contents procedure. Inter both data information, part one. I want to have alphabetical that is okay, but I want to have in the creation also. And the data set of variables here, no, I want to have that also. If you want to have in that also, we are going to use an option called position. What option are we going to do? Position. Now I'm writing a position option. I execute the program. So can you see how many tables I got now? I got 4 tables this time. Contents procedure. Integer both different information. Target on the student. Alphabetical list of variables and attributes. And 4th variable on the student, 4th variable on the student. Variables in creation. Okay. 2 tables same information on the net. Kaapapati process variables which is alphabetical list only. Variables in creation. So first we have EMP ID, name, age, sex, salary, and location. Both the tables are going to have the same information, but only the difference is variable order. Now my only variable creation order solve. I do not want to have an alphabetical list. If you do not want to have an alphabetical list, if you want to have only creation order, we are going to use an option called random. What option we are using? Random. Here what the random is going to do? Random is going to take in only 3 tables. Contents procedure. Integer both different information. Can you see what the target we are getting now? Variables in only creation order, no alphabetical list. Understand this one? So if you want to have only variables in creation order, what is the option that we use now? We use an option called random. I asked you, create a data set called heart. One from SAS help library, SAS help.heart. Okay. While creating this data set, in the SAS help.heart, we have 16 variables. I asked you, please apply the labels for all the 16 variables. These 16 variables, labels apply them on the yes, sir. Apply the labels for all the 16 variables, and labels say college dependent. Yes, sir. How to apply the label? Labels table. Then what do we do? Label. Variable name. Variable name. Is whatever the variable name that we have. So for example, we have a variable called status. Status is equal to, you can write whatever the status you want to have. You can write. Like this one. And then the second variable. Third variable, fourth variable. You don't have variable names, what you should do? Every time, you should go to the data set. Where we have the data set right now? SAS help or data set. Okay. Click on the variable name. Copy the variable name. Okay. Close it. Go there. Write the second variable. And is equal to. Write the label. And then again go to the third variable. Go to the data set. Click on that one. Copy this one. Again go there. It's going to be lengthy, annoying, multi-step process. It takes a lot of time. Now, if you have all the variables listed at one place, it is going to be easy for me. So that I can copy the variables. I can do it very fast. So I want to have the list of all the variables. Only the variable names list. Now, if you want to have the variables list of any data set, now we are going to write a proc contains data is equal to SAS help.heart. Any program execution output will any print okay. At the do. I want to print only short list of my variables. If you want to have only a short list, we are going to use an option called short. If I use a short option, I execute the program. Outside output will print student. Can you see what is printing? It is printing all the variable names short list. Now, if I want, I can copy this one. I go to the data window, open the comment section, paste all the variables here. Now, keep it here in the comment section. Now, whenever we want to have the variables, we can copy the variables. So my work is going to be easy now because I have all the variables available. I can write that labels or formats, whatever we want to length, whatever we want to get. We can do it very fast. But the problem with this, can you see this short list is present in which order? Alphabetical list. But I want to have a creation order also. If you want to have a creation order also, then what we can do now? Now I am writing proc contains data is equal to SAS help.heart. Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to write position and short. Short and short list is made. Position changes in both it will give creation order. Alphabetical list and variables creation order also. Release no side. Now this is the order in the data set and this is an alphabetical list. By the way, I do not want to have alphabetical list. I want to have only creation order. Tell me what we should do. What we should do? Proc contains data is equal to SAS help.heart. Then is equal to short list family, but I want to have only in the creation order, short and random. Now it is going to give short list and it is going to give in the creation order of the data set. Now I go to copy this one and I will paste it in my editor window. Now whenever I want to, I can go with this paste links. Let's understand everybody. Give me 2 minutes, sir. I'll be back. Okay, now I want to condense or metadata of all the data sets of the library. Okay, library మొత్తం data sets అన్నిటికీ condense information I want to get it in one time, in one step. So what I should I know? Position కాబట్టి చాయిస్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇది both ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఇస్తుంది క్రియేట్ రెండు వస్తాయి. See, నాకు ఓన్లీ క్రియేట్ ఒకటి కావాలంటే షార్ట్ లిస్ట్ కావాలి అంటే సేమ్ టైం వాడే ఓన్లీ దానికోసం ఒకసారి మొత్తం డిలీట్ చేసేస్తాను. దీనికి కూడా చేసేయాలి. ఎవరు చెప్పిన టూ లిస్ట్ వస్తాయి. ఒకటి ఆటోమేటికల్ లిస్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్ నాకు అలా వద్దు, నాకు ఓన్లీ క్రియేట్ ఒకటే కావాలనుకోండి. ఒకే వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు షార్ట్ ఓన్లీ వన్. I want to have a condense procedure for all the files of library. So what should I know? I am going to specify raw condense data is equal to, say for example, SAS help dot underscore all underscore. Okay, what is going to happen now? We are going to get SAS help libraries all files condense information. We have so many files, and because we are in my temporary house, we are going to have a use information. By each and every file, you will get the information. Understand? So if you want to have the full library's contents information, what we should write down? Library name dot underscore or underscore. I do not want to have, what how many tables we want in output window? 3, right? First one is the data set summary, engine and host dependent information, auto categories of variables and attributes. So where the data SAS class, so SAS underscore for each and every file, we will get three tables. I do not want to have all, I want to have just a list of all the files. The individual information will do only list of record. All the files of SAS help library. If you want to have that one, now I'm going to specify proper contains. Data is equal to SAS help library dot underscore all underscore. Now I'm writing an option called NODX. You know what? No description of individual data sets. Now what is going to happen now? We are not going to get any detailed information. We are going to have just a list of all the files of SAS help library. So only a list of SAS help library what is the name of the file? Remember that this is a data set or index file, catalog or view file, level, file size, and last modified. We are going to get only the list, but the list only and data set coverage. I do not want to have views and catalogs. Only data set coverage for each and every NODX class and the member is equal to data. Now we are going to get the list of all the data sets. But data sets and the indexes are same. We create indexes on data sets only, so that's why we are going to get both the data and index also. And I want to have this information only for view files. Of each and every member is equal to view. Now you get only view file shortlist. Like this one. In the same way, if you want to have the catalog information, so what we should do, we should write only member is equal to catalog. SQL question any? I can SQL. There's none. Any problem? Now in future, we are going to create indexes on datasets. In SQL, you guys are going to create indexes on datasets. If you want to know about index information, of any dataset, now we are going to use proper contents. Data is equal to dataset name. So for example, SAS help data. I don't know whether they have index on class or not. Class. We'll see. Do we have index on SAS help class? No. This is SAS help data. So index information. Yes or no? We'll see that one. We have index on this one. How many indexes that we have here? One. When we have an index, we are going to have an extra table, automatic list of indexes and attributes. So, in SQL, we'll come to what is an index. I'll tell you a simple way. What is an index? Just imagine you have a well. So just imagine that what is the data in the well? You want to get the water. So that means you want to retrieve the water, retrieve the data from the well. How do we do it? We can do it two different ways, manual method or by using electrical motor. If it's a normal data set, if you want to retrieve the data, if it's a normal program, that is retrieving the data or getting the water by manual method. But electrical motor like arranges and simple, if you click on the switch button, automatically the water is going to come very fast. Isn't it? So until you data can be index applied input. Data set key. Returning the data is going to be very fast. When index applied input, it will take some time to get the data. And the data is returned on the full system. If you apply the index, pulling the data is going to be very fast. But if you didn't apply the index, it is going to take a lot of time, to get the data. So that's in the real time. We apply the indexes on data sets. So it is going to become very fast to return the data. But the problem with index is, if you write an index on data set, it will take extra memory. Data set and but each of the memory features. So if the data set is small inside, we apply the indexes, otherwise we don't apply the indexes. Here we have a data set. In the data set, we have a field DET only. So in that we have an index. If you execute the block context procedure, previously we used to get 3 tables, now we got the 4th table also. Alphabetic list of indexes and attributes also. And in the index in the detailed information column we use an option called sentence. Sentence option is going to bring the index information also. So in the ముందు 3 tables about the 4th table also is elaborated index complete information pages. If you want to print the index information, what is the option that we should write now? Sentence. Now the contents information the data set option also. If you want to say everything in the data set, out is equal to data set name. And the sentence index information now I'm going to specify an option called out2 is equal to data set name. The out2 is only sentence information set. Out is equal to demo as the normal information, contents information set. Out2 is equal to demo 1 or demo. Now the demo 1, we are going to have only the sentence information, the index information. So if you want to say index information to separate data set, what is the option that we should write now? Out2 is equal to data set name. So if you want to see the sentence complete information, what is the option should write now? Sentence. Index information complete detail should write sentence. So during the block step, I will show you how to create the index. Okay, and finally, how to calculate the size of the data set. Data set is size of the data set. How to calculate size of the data set? The size of the data set formula the size is equal to 256 plus data set page size into number of pages. In the formula to calculate size of the data set, so the formula size of the data set is equal to 256 constant value, 256 plus data set page size into number of pages. We calculate the size first. Size of the formula interpretation page size number of pages. Okay, what I'm going to do, I am going to run data is equal to EMP. When block contains చేసినప్పుడు ఇండియా ఒక హోస్ట్ డిపెండెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఒక సెట్ టేబుల్ వచ్చింది. ఈ టేబుల్ ఏముంది చూడండి. డేటా సెట్ డేస్ ఎంత ఉందండి? 65,536. సో ఈ డేటా డేస్ లో ఈ వాల్యూ మీరు ఇంటర్ చేయొచ్చు. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పేజెస్ మళ్ళీ మీకు ఎంత నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పేజెస్ చూడండి. 1. Now I'm going to take that value. I'm going to put in the number of pages place. This is the size of EMP data set. Right, calculate చేద్దాం. దాని చూడండి డేటా నేను ఎక్సెల్ డేటా సెట్ చేస్తాను. ఈ ఫార్ములా నేను ఇన్పుట్ చేశాను. ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇన్పుట్ చేశాను అనుకోండి. ఎక్సెల్ డేటా ఎవరికి అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు సైజ్ అనేది వేరు అవుతుంది. సైజ్ అనేది వేరు ఏముంటుంది చూడండి. This is the size of my data set. What is this? This is 65,792 bytes. 792 bytes. Because we calculate we measure the memory in bytes. Okay, ఈ bytes అనే ఒక kilo count kilo bytes కావాలి. ఎన్ని bytes equal to 1 KB ఐడియా ఉందండి? 1024 bytes is equal to 1 KB. I want to have it here, so I'm dividing that by 1024. Now we are going to have x available. Now this is the size 64.25 into the KB bytes. అదే మళ్ళీ మీరు ఎంఎల్ మార్చాలనుకోండి ఏం చెప్పండి a is 1 more m should divide with 1024 to make KB into m. అదే మళ్ళీ జీరో మార్చాలనుకోండి a should divide with 1020 GB. But this is the size of my EMP data set in MD 64.25 MB. So this is how we are going to calculate the size of a data set. Size of a data set is equal to 256 plus data set base size into number of pages. So this is about the block context processor. In the next class, we will discuss about the actual processor. Okay? Okay, then see you in tomorrow's in the next class.
సార్ ఒకసారి నాట్స్ నెంబర్ టైప్ చెప్తాను.
Type of name type అంటే so in SAS we have two types of numbers, three types of files. Name type is equal to data type. That means it is a data set. Okay? So data set number type is data, and then if I say name type is equal to view, that means we have that's what we call indicating on view files. And what are the type of files that we have? Name type is equal to catalog. So we are going to have a catalog. If you want to discuss about, if you want to get information about only catalogs, name type is equal to catalog. Hey, name type is equal to AGS is going to get everything, all files information. But if you want to restrict to only for the data sets, all the data sets name type is equal to data. If you want to restrict to only for the view files, name type is equal to view. If you want to restrict for that only for the catalogs, it is name type is equal to catalog. If you don't write the name type, it will get all files information applied to it. Okay?
So for that we should write underscore all underscore not before writing the mem type.
See, for example, I'm writing of contains. If I say data SAS help dot underscore underscore, you know what does it mean? That means all the files in the sense data sets, views, and the catalog source. But I want to have only all the data sets. Only the data sets, but all the data sets. So SAS help dot underscore underscore, then what is it now? Name type is equal to data. So that means all the data sets. If you're not writing name type means data sets, catalog, everything. Okay?
Yes, thank you, sir.
See you tomorrow.